Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's feeling very well. So today I am doing a lip monthly. This is for the month of February. I know it's March. I seem to be getting this later and later. However, it does come from the US. It's a monthly subscription and the cost is £13.68 sterling. That includes taxes, delivery, the whole thing. So you normally get, well, it says you normally get 4 to 5 products. I've only ever received 4 and most of the items are branded. So should we have a look see what I've got this time? Okay, so we've got a cute little green bag with the Lip Monthly logo, and these appear to be little, I think they're little cherries. Quite cute. This feels like it's waterproof. It's like a nylon-y feel to it. So it's quite cute. I mean, I've got so many of these now, I actually don't know what to do with them. So, inside you get a little card. It says, welcome to February 2020 bag. We are officially 1 whole month into the new year, and before we know it, the spring season will be right around the corner. Yay! This month, we've curated a bag full of high quality lippies that will keep you looking and feeling fresh throughout February and beyond. Be sure to show us your bag for a chance to feature on our Instagram at Lip Monthly. Enjoy your goodies, the team. And that's that, and then the writing on the back. Okay, so the first product I see is a Bella Pierre. This is a super gloss. This is a really nice size tube of gloss. I'm not a massive gloss wearer, although summertime is probably more when I do actually reach for glosses more than a lipstick. Now, I have been on the internet. I wanted to price up how much individual lipsticks are claiming to be. So this Bella Pierre, the colour is called Vanilla Pink and it is $14. So it does say it's a super gloss. So it's just a standard Duffy wand. And I will colour swatch. It's actually quite nice. For a gloss, there is quite a high pigmentation there. It is this one. So yeah, it's quite nice actually. Wonder how long it will last on the lips, I'm not sure. I always feel like Bella Pierre, they really overprice their products, but they're good. So yeah, look forward to trying that. I like the first item. And then looking in my bag, we have a Lip Monthly own brand lipstick. This is, as I just said, by Lip Monthly. The colour is beige nude and this is for $14. So obviously I've kind of looked at these already because I wanted to do pricing and such stuff. And I have to say, Lip Monthly are very inspiring to want to buy their items. I mean, that is it. There is no colour shade on it apart from 02. But then when you look on the internet, I had to literally go by the colour in the tube to get the colour. So yeah, I think they're kind of like, need to up their game a little bit because Bella Pierre, $14. Lip Monthly, $14. I know which one out of the two looks more attractive to buy, but I guess it's all personal preference. And at first when I pulled this out, actually, I didn't actually know what it was because there was no like disclaimer or anything on it. I actually thought at first it was actually a, what do you call it that you put under your eye? A concealer. Because the colour is really, ugh. And here is a swatch of it, which I haven't done. And I'm still not impressed by that colour. This is probably something that I'm maybe going to struggle to actually ever reach for. I'm not inspired by that. Or the price, the packaging. I mean, I don't know what the formula is like because, like I said, I haven't tried it. So I hope it is actually wonderful. Okie dokie. Next we have, how cute is this one? Now we got something last month that all I can say is it looked like a bloody carrot. I couldn't believe how cheap the packaging felt. and they wanted a ridiculous, I think it was like $22. I haven't actually tried it since I did the unboxing. I don't know why. And in that same bag, I also got a Steve Laurent. Now, I am a fan of Steve Laurent products. And his lip, can't remember, was it a matte lipstick? I think it was. I googled the price on that. That was like $21. And obviously I've heard of him, like his products. And this carrot looking shape thing that I got, I'd never heard of that brand before. In fact, it doesn't even spring to mind what it was. And I just couldn't believe the two products were so similar priced. But this one, let's get back to this one. This one looks nice. It doesn't look cheap and nasty. I've not heard of this brand before. And the way they displayed it on the website was you take the lid off and you pop this in here. I don't know why. And they displayed it like that. So I didn't know whether that was a way to actually hold it to apply the lipstick. I don't know. I'm just rambling. Right, okay, so they call this the Inspired Peel, as I just said. It's called the Muse Ultra Cream Lipstick. This has a value of $21. Now, I couldn't find what shade colour it was. However, the shade is quite nice. Perhaps similar to actually what I'm kind of wearing. So, yeah, I'm going to love it anyway. It is a nice creamy. Oh, that is really nice actually. That blobby one there. I like the formula on that. It's very, very creamy, very nice. This is something I would definitely reach for and use. Hopefully it's as nice on the lips. And then lastly, we have a Model. I never know if it's Model & Co. I just want to say Model & Co. because it makes more sense. But Model Co. This is a lip oil. This has a value of $16. There was no colour shade. I could only see one, and it is this. Quite nice. I do use lip oils. I got one before from my Lip Monthly, and I use that quite regularly. That was by Luna and Luna, I think. Yeah. So it's a nice kind of clear pinky colour. I feel like I've got half a bottle missing now. And let's just do a little swatch of this here. So, I mean, there's nothing really showing up, to be fair. I mean, you can't see anything. So the colour in the bottle is not actually, oh, maybe just a little bit. It's here. This seems to feel like, when I'm taking it out, it feels a bit more gloopy than the Luna by Luna one. And it's, yeah, this is very sticky for an oil, very sticky. This is, again, something that I probably, wait there, because my other one is just literally there. I'm going to get my other one. Right, so this is the other one that I got. Let me just wipe my hands because it's so sticky. Wow. That doesn't feel like a lip oil. That feels like a lip gloss. So this is one that I got. This is the Luna. I'm going to cough. This is gorgeous. Everything I love about this, I love the packaging. It does have a slight little colour to it, but I mean, once you apply it to the lips, there's really no colour. And if you can just hear that, there's just like, it doesn't feel gloopy and sticky like that one. It just feels like, oh, it smells nice too. I use this a lot and it does stay put for a bit. I mean, if you have a drink, it's going to come off, but it just doesn't feel like gloopy. It feels nice compared to that one. Just to let you know, in case you want to go and buy it, get that one. Right, okay, so that's all the products in my Lip Monthly for February. The value came to round about $65 and I paid £13.68 UK money, sterling. So it's up to you, you know. I'll leave a link down below. I think you can get your first bag for $5. So I don't know whether it will be more for UK. I'm not quite sure how the difference works, but I'll leave the link down below. check it out, have a look for yourselves, and you just get one bag. You're definitely going to get your values worth, and then you can sell them on eBay or somewhere. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave some comments down below, please. I do enjoy reading your comments and I answer as soon as I can. March giveaway is going to be a Jeffree Star mirror. Please watch out for that video. I'm literally waiting for it to be delivered. To be fair, I forgot all about it and I didn't order it until Sunday. Hence why it's not here yet. But look out for that video and please enter. So that's it for now. Until I speak again. Oh, by the way, I'm doing block videos, so you can see me look like this for about 3 or 4 videos. I'm talking for the sake of talking now. I'm going. Bye. Mwah.